Well, howdy folks. As you can see, I made a trip to Harbor Freight. I couldn't bring my big old air compressor, so I went ahead and bought a smaller one, along with some new hose and of course the oil to put in it, and a few fittings just for guys. So let me reposition the camera, get you a little better angle on things maybe, and we'll unbox this and put it together. Well, as you see, this is the 21-gallon cast iron vertical air compressor from Harbor Freight. Just picked it up, sort of a Christmas present to myself. I have no idea how difficult this is going to be to unbox. Good instructions, not written in Chinese it looks like. Wheels, handles, and other bits. Well, I guess need to let me open the bottom and then pull the box up from over the compressor. A little heavier than I thought it'd be. At least they had plenty of cardboard and styrofoam and plastic all around it. Alright, that's one nice thing to see. There's already a quick connect fitting on there. Oh, it does have some oil. They told me it didn't have oil with it, so I bought a gallon or a pint, whatever it was. Screw it. Pull you off later. Yeah, it don't look too bad. Coupler, drain valve, oil fill, power cord, all sorts of nice little protective plastics stuck all over it. Damn sticky plastics don't want to come off. Okay, so maybe I'll leave that one on there. The warning says you gotta put oil on it. this I can figure out without bothering to read the instructions. Ought to be fairly straightforward. So let's start with the oil. 165 milliliters. There is a nice little sight glass there. And I do not have a small funnel, or do I? And let me see. Get around this cardboard up here out of the way. Nope, no small funnel. Bummer. Okay. So let's just pour it in very carefully. That emptied the bottle, and I don't see jack in the sight glass, but of course I haven't put the wheels on it, so it's not level yet. But I'll save the bottle so that way I'll know how much to put into it next time. Alright, we got handles with a little Ziploc baggie and screws, it looks like. Now where'd I put the cap for the oil reservoir? Oh, right there. Good. And Allen screws. Let me see if I can find ones to fit. With my luck, it'll be metric. But I just happen to have a bit that sort of fits well enough to screw them in. So let's turn this thing around a little bit. Stick the handle in the holes and run the screws in. So far it seems to be going pretty easily. Just got to pull down on the handle a little bit to line the holes up. That was easy enough. Set that aside. Now let's get the wheels. Oh yeah, solid rubber, nice heavy duty plastic crap. I may wear these out rolling this thing around the shop. What do we got here? A muffler slash filter for the intake. Does it pop apart? No, I guess you just gotta replace it every once in a while. You screw that right in there. Axle bolts. I think I'll be stupid. Let's see if y'all can see this angle. Maybe not so much. There we go. All right. So of course, since I'm not looking at the directions, I'm probably putting these in backwards. Whoa. Another one. I guess I ought to grab a wrench and a socket, see what size these are to tighten them down. Now you can see one thing I did wrong already. I put the washer on the wrong end. There we go. Of course, they probably wanted the bolts, the head of the bolt to go inward, but I like doing things backwards. Alright, 3/4 inch, although if it's metric that'd be 19 millimeter. Spin that around so you can get a slightly better look. Since they got the washer, I'm guessing they wanted you to go in that way, but being a contrary person that I am, I like washers backing up and nuts, not bolts. And I like the nuts on the outside. Look at it roll! Oh, it seems to roll fairly easily. And there we go. And there it is. Let's see what the oil level shows now. Or if it does show an oil level. Oops. And yep, that's right in the middle. just like it says. So, see what sort of good warnings. Risk of bursting, risk of injury, electric shock, risk of fire or explosion, do not use to supply breathing air. No kidding. Same thing. Alright. Okay, now that I got it back together, or got it together and oiled up, let's read the instructions. 2.5 horsepower. $120 grounded, 3-prong. Up to a 15.5 amp outlet. Specifications 15 amp or 14 amps. Dedicated circuit recommended. Like that's going to happen. Air pressure, auto shut off at 125, restart at 95. 21 gallon capacity. Airflow capacity 4.7 standard cubic feet per minute at 90 psi. Alright, yep, it's an air compressor, and sure enough, they wanted the bolt to go through first from the outside. Already had the rubber feet on there, so that's nothing bad. That looks good. How to drain. Pressure wall. Clockwise drain closes, counterclockwise drain opens, so it's got a left-hand thread on it. See if I can feel the knob. You know something? Ah, there it is, right down in front. And it's all the way down, so it's closed. How about that? There's already some air in there. Well, I just happen to have an outlet right here. Nice heavy-duty extension cord. Let's see how noisy this critter is. Thing is noisy, so I'm not going to make y'all listen to it. I'm going to pause the camera, let it fill itself up, and then come back out here after a little while. Well, that wasn't too bad. I barely got halfway through a cigarette before it shut off. Of course, it is only 21 gallons, so that's not real humongous. So I guess next I'll do the air hose and fittings. Not that y'all don't know how to put them together, but the sad thing is, most of my air tools are still at my other house. Okay, anyway, y'all don't need to see all this crap. So, there it is. The 125 PSI Central Pneumatic 21 gallon air compressor. Thanks for watching.